Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online class. I am your English teacher. The topic which we will discuss today is modal verbs. Open page 49 of English practice book. What are modal verbs? A modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb or helping verb that expresses necessity, possibility, permission or ability. मॉडल वर्ब हेल्पिंग वर्ब की एक टाइप है जो कि ज़रूरत, इम्कान, इजाज़त या काबिलियत को शो करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. द मोस्ट कॉमन मॉडल वर्ब्स इंक्लूड मस्ट, शैल, विल, शुड, वुड, कैन, कुड, मे एंड माइट. Can and could are used to show ability. Ability is a talent or skill to do something. Look at the examples. David can speak 3 languages. He could swim when he was 5. Can and may are used for permission. Permission is to allow someone to do a particular thing. For example, can I use your pen? May I come in? Here, can and may are used to ask permission. Should is used for advice or recommendation. For example, you should try to lose weight. Must and have to are used for obligation. Obligation is something that we are bound to do. ऐसा काम जो हमें लाजमी करना चाहिए. For example, we must throw garbage in dustbin. Might, may, could or can are used to show possibility. Possibility is a thing that may happen. For example, this watch looks nice but it might be expensive. Ali may come to see us. Here, we have no surety that Ali is coming to see us, but there is a chance that he may come. So may is used to show Now come to question number 1. Underline the modal verbs in the following sentences. Drivers must stop when the traffic lights are red. Must is a modal verb, so you will underline it. I could speak Arabic fluently when I was a child and we lived in Morocco. Underline could. It's a hospital. You mustn't smoke. Mustn't. He is very tired after such hard work. He may prefer to get some rest. May. I can speak 3 foreign languages. Can. Can you stand on your head for more than a minute? No, I can't. Underline can and can't. They both are modal verbs. Take an umbrella. It might rain later. Might. You shouldn't leave small objects lying around. Shouldn't. May I ask a question? Yes, of course. May. You need not take your umbrella. It is not raining. Need not. Can you speak Italian? No, I can't. Can and can't. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable modal verbs. A. He dash be on holiday but I am not sure. Might. B. You dash be right but I would still like to check. May. C. Dash you turn down the volume please. Can. D. You dash go when you have finished. Can or may. Sometimes more than one modal verb is suitable for a particular situation. So here you can use both can and may. E. You dash ask whatever questions you have. Can or may. Both will be correct. You can use one of them. F. You dash smoke in the kitchen. Should not. G. From his accent he dash be from Toronto. Could. H. Who can it be? It dash be the postman. Can't. I. The weather dash be hotter tomorrow. May. J. Dash you dance. Can. K. Oh no, I think they dash be hurt but I am not sure. Might. L. They look just the same. I am sure that boy dash be his son. Must. M. That looks delicious and I am so hungry. Dash I have some? May or can. Both will be correct. N. He is running very well. I think he dash win. Might. O. That looks like fun. Dash we paint some eggs with you. Can. Homework. Visit the given YouTube link for better understanding of modal verbs. Complete and learn exercise A and B. Thank you.